Oh man, Eliza. She was here, I think, 2, 3 weeks ago. Had a really cool conversation, about her not being based in Ghana, but coming and going back and forth, basically, to promote her music, the new music she has out there. This song, her project, family. We spoke on a lot of stuff. If you want to find all of that, you can go on our YouTube pages, on our social media pages. We tend to post snippets, and highlights from our interviews because we want to promote these artists as much as possible. So, Eliza, if you enjoy her music, please find it, buy it, support it as much as possible. That's the number one way I always say. Buying the music, the content, the movies is the number one way to support creativity if you're a fan of said, creative space. Guys, thanks so much for tuning in. This is Mxlive. I'm your host, Jason Olay. Very happy to be here from now to 4 p.m. Nothing but music, conversations. Today I have 2 guests coming through. I promise you it's going to be a very, very interesting time, for the next hour. So, if there's anything you want to add, any questions you want to add, very, very simple. Add your voice, MX24GH, every single platform. The hashtag is Mxlive, makes it easier to find. We're going to be posting our social media handles on the screen so you can find us. But before we do carry on, Silverbird Cinemas, they're not coming here today. They'll be here during the week, but I have to give them a shout out because, they tend to live up to their words so much that it's incredible. Last week, I had Boii from Silverbird here. We had a 1-hour conversation. It was interesting, about creativity, movies, the plans Silverbird has for the fans, the little gifts, how you can be part of the event. So big salute to them. And they're not stopping anytime soon. So you can step into a world of action, adventure, drama, thriller at Silverbird Cinemas because, they have the ultimate entertainment for movies such as Mission Impossible Dead Reckoning. Sorry, I've seen it, the part 1. It's incredible. They have Indiana Jones, Oppenheimer, Coming to Africa. So many movies. And Ghana's #1 popcorn, of course. If you want to be a part of the family, if you want any information, silverbirdcinemas.com/Accra and silverbirdcinemas.com/West Hills, for all the showing times. Or you can call 0544-310-140 and 059-399-7086 for more information. Or Silverbird Ghana on all social media platforms, no underscores, no space. That is at Silverbird Ghana for all the updates. And yes, you're going to get all the information you need from how you can get their vouchers, again, their showing times, movies coming up. It's an incredible thing to see. So salute to my family. Once again, MX24GH, every single platform. The hashtag is Mxlive. If you want to be a part of the conversation, send me messages at JasonEL_A. Very, very simple to find us. And yes, for the next hour, like I said, I promise you nothing but the best. Quick commercial break. We have 2 artists coming through today. Stay tuned in. Wow, cool music. I mean, I saw Mr. Drew in there, and a young cat who I'm going to be talking to right now. Send us some messages, MX24GH, every single platform. Hashtag is Mxlive. Be a part of the conversation with every single artist we talk to. If there's anything you want to ask them, if you're already a fan, you know them, you want to add your input. If you're now getting to know them, you have any suggestions for their career, for their growth, we're open to that. You can criticize, you can advise, and we take it all in. I mean, the space we're in, that's what it's about. Again, MX24GH, every single platform. Send me messages at JasonEL_A. And I have Cool Boy. That's a nice name.
Thanks, bro.
How you doing, man?
I'm really cool.
What's the real name? Because I'm assuming Cool Boy is not the real name. Is it?
Armstrong is my real name.
Armstrong. Oh, that's a nice name. Yeah. Okay. So I just saw your music. Very, very nice music video. We're going to talk today about a lot of stuff. How it's been for you. I see you've got some nice tattoos there.
Yeah.
So he really seems to be a cool guy.
Yeah.
But we're going to find out. Again, if there's anything you want to add to this conversation, please send us messages and be a part of it. Again, how are you, man? How are you?
I'm cool, bro.
You're cool. Yeah, I mean, he's Cool Boy, so he's cool.
Yeah, I'm always cool.
Tell us a little bit about yourself for those who don't know you.
I'm
away from the music.
Away from the music.
Yeah, tell us a little bit about you yourself.
Actually, my name is Armstrong.
Okay.
I'm half Ghanaian, half Cameroonian.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, my father is from Cameroon and my mom is.
Okay, but are you based in Ghana?
Yeah, I'm based everywhere.
Okay, so it's like.
But right now I'm in Ghana for some time now. I haven't been to Cameroon.
Okay, so you're in Ghana right now.
Right now.
Oh, 2 years. Yeah. A whole 2 years. Oh, that's really nice. Okay. Music.
Yeah.
Growing up, what was it like for you? When did you know you wanted to do music? And tell us about that.
Growing up, actually, I loved dancing. That was like my first talent.
Okay.
That was what took me black.
So you had all the girls then? Because, schools, whenever you dance, they always gravitate towards the guys who can dance.
Yeah, I started like a dance course here. That was really something like I saw like my first talent, you know, growing up. My parents knew that. They didn't even know that I'm going to even be an artist or something.
Okay, so how was that transition for you? Because, you know, music ties in with dance and fashion
you know.
and all these things.
So growing up, I just started like watching videos of other artists, you know, Davido, you know, those times when we were growing up, they were already there, so we were watching them and all that. So I just started picking up some musical styles, you know.
Okay.
Before I knew it, I didn't even know that I could sing.
Okay.
I just started writing my own songs, trying to create my own
But
songs.
was it in school that
I started in school. I started having that feeling that like drawn towards music.
Oh.
You know, since in school, I started feeling like that.
Did you drop any music in school though, or no?
No. In school, I was just like writing songs. You see, in class, you can just be writing songs on your book, on your book with your pen and all that. Yeah, so that was what I was doing.
But was it the process of actually probably recording your first song, deciding to go into music? Was it an easy decision? Was it a decision you thought of? Because, you know, thinking about making music is one thing. Now, taking it professionally, going to the studio, recording music and mashing it is a whole other thing.
Yeah.
How was that process for you?
It was kind of difficult because, you know, I started in Cameroon, like, since I was born in Cameroon, you know. So I just started going to the studio. I had one guy, you know. I was just going to the studio. Sometimes I would just clean the studio so that make them know that I'm around.
Yeah.
In case they want an artist, but they already had like 2 artists there. So
I was you were just in the background,
I was just in the background.
Your time.
That time I hadn't even recorded any song, you know.
Okay.
Like 2018.
Not too long ago.
I had not even recorded any song, you know.
Wow.
Like I dropped my main song like 2019.
Okay, so you're just doing your thing, cleaning, then you record your first song. If you're looking back at that first song you recorded, looking at it now, were you impressed by it? Were you like, what was I doing? How was that first song?
I was impressed because for my first song, I already knew that like I'm talented. I already had that feeling that I'm talented because I wouldn't lie. The people that they were actually in the studio at that time, that they were signed in the studio that I was going to like. If I listened to their own songs, I was feeling like, I'm more talented than them. But, but the person who has the record label, you know, he said he didn't want to add another artist. But the first day he heard my song, he was like, so since I'm here like this, I can sing. So he was really surprised. So, but it was too late because I don't really like plan to like come to Ghana.
Okay, so you'd already planned to come to Ghana. How was the family responding to that? I mean, you know, Ghanaians, we're very traditional, right? It doesn't mean we don't like music and all these things, but our parents, you know, typically have a certain path in their minds for us because they care.
Yeah.
You know, it's not necessarily a bad thing, but the youth to also have the mindset of what they want to do. Was it a difficult conversation with the family having both Ghanaian and Cameroonian parents?
You know, since my parents are from the both countries, you know, it wasn't that difficult because my grandma is here and, you know, I just said I want to take the music, like, to the next level from Ghana. You know, because while I was in Cameroon, I was watching Kwame Eugene Kidi.
Like, I can do that.
Yeah, I'm like, nah, I need to start from Ghana. Like, since my mom is a Ghanaian, why not? Why can't I just like, start from there? And I'm like, nah, I need to, like, come base here and I like the fact that you're saying that, you know, seeing Kidi and Kwame Eugene in Cameroon, it makes me want to ask you, how big is Ghanaian music in Cameroon? Is it that big? Do you know Ghanaian artists? Do you hear our music in the pubs, in the clubs, on the radio? Is it big there? To be sincere, I can say that, like, for musicians, Sarkodie is like somebody that is big on the English side. Because, you know, Cameroon is bilingual country. You have French and
English, right?
So, on the English side of Cameroon, Sarkodie is really, like, popular there. So I feel like...
I mean, it's Obede.
Yeah, so he's popular there. His music is known. But I feel like that's even, like, the main person that we really know there when it comes to... It was, I'm sure recently that Kwame Eugene Kidi is coming up. But Sarkodie has already made his naming.
Wow, Sarkodie, man. I say, you know, whether you're
really
a fan
like
of
taking
him,
the flag off,
or not, you have to respect what these artists are doing. And like you're saying, Kidi and Kwame Eugene gets into
I knew Kidi and Kwame Eugene because I was into music. So I was like watching into the Ghanaian market and seeing the young ones.
But do Ghanaian artists perform in Cameroon from time to time, or you don't see them as much?
No.
Oh, then if they're watching this, they have to. Yeah, hopefully. I mean, to artists watching this, that's the thing, you know, right now, because we've always said the world is a global village, but now even more so because of social media, and it's very easy to see what's happening in the other side of the world. So we have to take advantage of these things. Okay, that's interesting. But why Ghana for you though? Why is it because of the artists? Is it because of your Ghanaian heritage? Is it because of the market? Why did you decide I want to come to Ghana and
music professionally from here? The market, my heritage, everything just enhanced my decision to come here. So I feel like all those things play part.
Okay. And how has that decision been? Has it been a decision you're proud of? Is it a good decision?
I'm very proud, of course. I wasn't doing the music professionally until I came to Ghana and I met Biz Dake.
Oh.
Yeah, Biz Dake, he's the one who has been producing for Stonebwoy, when he started and all that. So when I came, I met producers like him and all that, doing it professionally. I cannot really regret my decision of coming here.
Nice. How's the response from the fan base been? Because it seems like talent side and business side, like you're saying, it's been good. But the fan base, how have they responded to your music? Because you sing in both French and English, I'm assuming.
Yeah, sometimes I just mix the
Trust me, the ladies like the French, man. I have tried to learn French. I'm like, oh, no, I can't do this. I mean, eventually I am going to. But again, has the response been good?
Oh, yeah, it has been good. Like, if I drop a song, I get comments from Cameroonians, comments from Ghanaians.
Oh, that's good.
Like, they're dragging me. Some people know that, like, I'm Ghanaian, right? Some people know I'm Cameroonian. Yeah. People that know me from Cameroon in school, when I was growing up, they know that I'm Cameroonian because you grew up with me, you understand? Even though they know I'm not in Cameroon right now, but they know I'm Cameroonian because you grew up with me from childhood. So if they are commenting on YouTube and social media, they are commenting Cameroonian flags there. So they are just claiming me like I'm Cameroonian. While Ghanaians too are claiming me that I'm Ghanaian.
But that's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a good thing.
Yeah, it's a very good thing.
It's a very good thing. So,
right? It's a very good thing. Okay, and you are working with Ghanaian artists. Hopefully you get to work with Cameroonian artists too. Hopefully we can break more into the market with an artist like you, maybe paving the way a bit more. So, so you had this one with Mr. Drew. We're going to get to the new one. But tell us about that song and how that came up. Do you already have a good relationship with him? Is it a record label thing? How did that work?
Mr. Drew, like, my record label is from my record label that but he knew me, but I told my record label like, I wanted to put him on the song with the help of Andy Dusty.
Oh, okay.
Andy Dusty is like part of my record label too, so.
Oh yeah, Andy Dusty is a good guy, right?
Yeah, he influenced it, so we had to like send a song to him. He did his part, and then we shot the video.
But that must have been big for you, right? Working with like a young guy who's really doing well for himself. Yeah. And the video is neat. Yeah. How's it been on a record label though? Because from what you're saying, they are doing their job, and it's good to see record labels supporting artists. That's what it's about. It's a two-way thing. Yeah. You do your part, talent-wise, and they do their part. How's it been on a record label? Working for you, getting artists like Mr. Drew. Working with Andy Dusty, a legend in his own right. How was that for you?
Well, it's been good. Like there was a time I was praying for stuff like that. So like I'm really grateful that I have this opportunity, to work with my record label right now, and I'm doing my part, they're doing their own part. So
hopefully you go with them also.
Everything is going on well, so we keep pushing hard.
Nice one, keep pushing. This new one, tell me about this new one, what's it called?
The title is My Lover.
Is it a true story? Oh. Don't lie now, cool boy. Don't lie to me now. It's a true story. Is she from Ghana? Is she from Cameroon? Is she from France?
I just want her to be my lover. It's just like something like you're trying to get a girl or something.
Oh, so there's a girl right now you're trying to get to be a lover?
Oh, it's just like a concept. It's not every time.
Boys are never going to admit to this, but anyways.
It's not every time like we like sing a song like directly.
That's a true story.
Yeah, sometimes. Okay. It just comes.
Yeah. Okay, sometimes it just comes. Okay, so it's called My Lover. Yeah. Is it just you on the song? Any features, or is it just you?
Oh, it's just me.
It's just you. No features. How old is the song?
8 days.
8 days. Oh, wow, that's nice. I'm very happy you're here then. Yeah, okay, so this is Schoolboy, My Lover. We have the video. We're going to check it out. Let us know what you think. When we come back, we're going to talk to him some more, about future plans and all of that. Please send us some messages, MX24GH, hashtags Mxlive. If there's any suggestion you add or you want to add, to this young guy who's pushing his music, please let us know. But for now, this is Schoolboy, My Lover. Check it out.
Beats.K production. Early in the morning when I wake up, well, I want to see your face. I want to see your face, your face. I I know you don't need makeup, but you brighten my day. Brighten my day, my day. Fire now, girl, I know go like you catch my fire now. See the way you moving, gonna bounce. Your body moving, gonna bounce. Oh yeah, yeah. Designer now, she tell me say she know like designer now. See the way you moving, gonna bounce. Your body moving, gonna bounce. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh yeah, 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 ooh yeah. Would you be my lover? Ooh yeah, 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 ooh yeah. Would you be my lover? Anytime when I stay with you, my boo, I know they chop at the belly, fool. Them other girls, them be deja vu. And you know anything I do, and when you call me, I come through. Them other girls, them be deja vu. Fire now, girl, I know go like you catch my fire now. See the way you moving, gonna bounce. Your body moving, gonna bounce. Oh yeah, yeah. Designer now, she tell me say she know like designer now. See the way you moving, gonna bounce. Your body moving, gonna bounce. Oh yeah, yeah. Ooh yeah, 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 ooh yeah. Would you be my lover? Ooh yeah, 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 ooh yeah. Would you be my lover?
Wow. What I was gonna say is, right, with the way, in the space of 2 minutes, 1 minute, you know, how you were talking to the girl, how she was just ignoring you, and how she just flipped. You have to teach me the moves, man. Because these girls today, they gonna be reminding you.
Nah, it's just a video shoot.
Oh, that's what they say.
It's not easy like that.
That's what they say. But after this, Cool Boy is gonna show me the moves. Okay, so this song is out, 8 days. How's the response been?
Oh, massive. It's like...
You get surprised? When
Like,
you know you drop music and everyone is like gravitating towards you and the music, or are you used to it now?
No, I feel like sometimes as an artist you need to be intentional. When I was dropping this song, like I'm really intentional about people liking it. So it's like, yeah, you really know that this one you're dropping, you really want it to go viral. So you're putting your energy and effort in promoting it and pushing it and all that. Yeah. But before dropping a song, I knew that people
You get
would like
nervous?
it. When dropping a song?
Yeah. Because, you know, you've dropped a song with Mr. Drew. And everyone is
I feel like every artist, it happens. It's usually on the night when the song is dropping. Like, you know, songs always drop like 12 in the night.
Yeah,
like,
in the night. They drop it. Are you like a social media person? Because I was watching J. Cole, I think 2 days ago. He had an interview with Kevin Hart. And he said when he was 28, you know, he had so many expectations, but he wasn't getting it. And I'm watching it, I'm like, J. Cole's like one of the biggest rappers in the world, and he's saying this, right? So imagine all these young artists right now who are on social media, and he said even now, he hardly goes on social media.
Yeah.
How do you take to negative? And because no matter how good what you do is, there's always going to be that one person who's going to try same things, right? Exactly. Yeah. How do you deal with these pressures, the negative energy as a young guy, as a young artist growing up?
At first, to be sincere, it usually disturbs me, you know, coming up. People will say their own stuff, oh, this, that. But recently, at first, I usually delete the comments.
Okay.
I can remember like 2 years ago.
Okay.
But now I'll allow it. Now I won't delete it.
Yeah.
Like yesterday, even 2 days ago, even somebody even like wrote some stuff. You know.
Really?
Yeah, they always
they
throw you. I can't even remember typically, but I know that it's a
This
troll.
business
like,
is no joke, man.
Yeah, so he wrote something and I was like, I watched it and I was like, I didn't delete it, I just allowed it. So I feel like the negative part, it plays its own like part in in everything. So I don't delete it. I noticed that it was a fan that came and replied the person.
Okay, that's the thing. Now fans are gonna come for you.
Yeah, I just smile, you know. If I see it, I don't really take it personally.
Yeah,
you know, if you're in the music industry and you're growing up, at first, if you are starting the music, it's gonna disturb you, but it's gonna get to a point where you feel like, nah.
Yeah, I was listening to Andy Dusty, you know.
Yeah.
He had an interview with a friend of mine, Jeffrey Norte. He's an actor, right? And he was saying that he was in deep depression. And I'm like, this guy's my friend. I didn't even know.
Yeah.
And he was saying this was like, I think, a year or two ago when everything was going. He was like, he wasn't getting gigs and all these things, and he had to pull himself out of it. And it's like, a lot of young people I talk to are going through mental health issues, depression, anxiety, and so I'm just hoping, for you stay strong as you are. It's good to hear that you're getting stronger. I'm sure a record label is going to do things, to help you withstand all these things. But just be strong, man.
Yeah, for sure, for sure. Like those things don't get to me anymore. You see, I don't know. Maybe I'm growing.
Cool boy.
Maybe I'm growing. So when I saw it, I just smiled.
Yeah.
I don't delete them again.
Nice.
I don't delete them again. I just smile.
Nice. I like that. I like that. Don't feed into the negative energy. What's the plans, man, for you moving forward? Because you've dropped this song. You've got a song with Mr. Drew.
I have a song even with Kevin Boii. Like I released it last.
Working.
I released it last year.
Okay. Oh, so it's out.
Yeah, that one is on YouTube.
Okay. Please find it, support it. That's one good thing about music.
Yeah.
When the new music grows, people search for the old music, and it stays there forever. So that's very, very good. But moving forward, are you going to promote this a bit? Are you going to drop some new music?
Yeah, like since there was a time like I dropped my last song before the Mxlive. It's been a while, so I just had a conversation with my record label that I don't want to really like waste time before we drop my next song. So need to be consistent and all that. So as we're pushing this one, hopefully you see where it gets to and then see the fans' reactions, then know when to drop the next one and all that. So,
nice one. Cool boy, it's been awesome talking to you. I appreciate you. Do you want to tell fans anything before you leave? In French and in English, because the girls are watching, man.
Please go check out my new song. It's called Mxlive. It's out on all platforms. Yeah.
No French? Say something in French. Or you don't
French? No.
You don't want to?
French. I didn't really grow up in the French side. Cameroon, if you grew up in the English side, you wouldn't know how to speak French.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. That's
that's how it is.
Oh.
But you're supposed to know.
Oh.
You're supposed to know. That's what the law says in the country. You're supposed to know. But if it's like somebody that grew up in Kumasi, you wouldn't even know how to
That's
speak.
true, though. That's true.
So that's how it is. Yes.
Anyways, thank you so much for coming through. I appreciate you. Whenever you have new music, bring it through. Keep doing your thing. Stay as strong. As you're staying, and I'm here for you anytime.
Thanks,
guys, MX24GH. I have to let Cool Boy go and do some cool stuff. But please find him, support him. His music is on all platforms, and this is the number one way to support artists. I always say, buying the music. Salute to your record label, to mom and dad, and to everything you're doing. Guys, stay tuned in. Some more music. I have another artist coming through right back.